So in this video I'm going to show you how to use your automatic vacuum zone control for your JWEI JWCAM cutter. So I'm going to go to JWCAM. The first thing I need to do is make sure we're on the latest version up here. To do the update, you'll see I've made a video on how to update your JWEI JWCAM. Once you've done the update, you'll see that you then have the checkbox up here, which is area. So I'm going to turn that on. So straight away you'll see that it now displays your vacuum zones areas on your main screen there. So at the moment I can see that they're all blue, meaning that all of my vacuum zones are currently open and in use. If I go to suction window, I can turn off vacuum zones and they go to grey, showing that they're now turned off. This is great because it gives you sort of a bit of visual reinforcement so that you know which ones are on or off. So we can also then change our vacuum control to automatic. So if our job is just down in this bottom corner and we have all of them on like we have there, it would automatically turn those zones off for us. So to do that, we go to suction window, we go to area control mode, and we change that from manual to auto. Once you've done that, they will now be automatic. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set my temp origin just down to there. There's my temporary origin. I'm then going to go to my OptiScout. I'm going to bring in a quick job. There we go. Just like that. And then going to put that on the pointer. I'm going to output that to device. And you'll see straight away my vacuum zones have turned off everywhere other than that one zone that is needed. So that's how we use the automatic vacuum control on our JWEI JWCAM cutter.